Wow, that is a really cool drone shot. Wait, what's that in the background? Have you ever taken an awesome drone clip and then all of a sudden, to no fault to anybody, something pops in and ruins the shot? Well, I'm here to tell you that not all hope is lost. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove anything, any sort of object from your drone shot. And it is a lot simpler than you think. Hi everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for today's video, we're going to be going over how to remove anything from a drone shot, a regular static handheld shot, basically any sort of video. Now, just like Photoshop has content aware fill for a photo and replacing objects in a photo, there is a very similar feature in Adobe After Effects that you can use with any sort of video shot. So not all hope is lost, but do not take my word for it. Let's go to the computer. All right, now the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is open up Adobe After Effects. And then make sure that you have whatever file that you want to correct ready to go. All right, now for me, there was a drone car shot that I wanted to use, but there was a little car in the corner. Absolutely terrible. If you ask me, it kind of ruins the shot. But like I said, it's gonna be pretty simple to take out. All right, so you're gonna drag the clip into the little composition quick button. And then if it's not here in the corner, the content aware fill, just because I was doing this a little bit earlier, go to your workspace and then click the content aware fill. All right. And then once you do that, you figure out which portion of the clip you wanna work with. Let's say we're just gonna do this portion. We're gonna do from there. Let's see. No. We'll start from right here. And I'll go all the way. We'll go all the way to over here. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of sun flare going on right now. So make sure that the lighting correction is clicked on. Otherwise, it will be pretty noticeable. So just make sure that you do that. Make sure that you are only doing it to the work area. So just enclose your work area. And then now is the hard work. So essentially what you're gonna do is just mask out this car, okay? So let's see, we'll go to the first frame. All right, here we go. So we're at the first frame, and then all we're gonna do is just use the pen tool. And then we are going to mask around it. Like that, just like that. And now it shows up where it's just masking out the car. What you're gonna do is just go over to the mask and invert it. And then you're gonna enable the mask path, the keyframes. And then you're gonna move it over every couple of keyframes, and then you're just gonna move it. You're gonna move it around. Now this is by far the most tedious part, but it is like magic, like I said. So just put in the work. Trust me, it'll be worth it. All right, then after that, you are going to click Generate Fill Layer. You just sit back and let it work. All right, and then after that, you just render it out, and then boom, you have a perfectly good new clip without that distracting element. I'm gonna throw a couple side by side just so you can see it works in a whole bunch of different scenarios. All right, and that is it. That is all I have for today's video. Now, if you learned anything from this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you liked it, make sure to like it. And if you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. I will get back to you in a timely manner. Now, thank you so much, especially you watching this till the end. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Peace.